Early in the morning, you listen to a music, and it stays in your head all day. That is the morning's strength. Your day's course will be entirely determined by how you begin it, but most of us get off to a disastrous start. Here are some typical morning errors that people make. First, staying in the dark. When you wake up, open your curtains and let the light into your room so that you are not in the dark for too long. Your biological clock responds to light. You need a strong, morning light for some hormones to kickstart your action. As soon as you awake, you must expose yourself to morning light. Morning exposure to light, specifically blue-green light, stimulates the release of the hormone cortisol, which awakens you and blocks the release of melatonin, which makes you feel sleepy. So, open your windows and enjoy the view of the surrounding greenery and blue sky, or go for a short walk and come back. The second error we make is forgetting to drink a glass of warm water in the morning. After 7 to 8 hours of sleep, your body needs water. Drinking a glass of warm water as soon as you wake up is recommended. Your body would be rehydrated, and your digestive system would also be activated. Dehydration brought simply by missing a glass of water will stress the body, and consuming solid meals right away will stress it out even more. When you first wake up, you must drink a glass of warm water. However, after 15 minutes, you can surely drink water flavored with lemon, haldi, and honey. That would be lovely. Rushing to work is the third error we make. Early in the morning, we make the very serious mistake of being hurried, and this restlessness lasts the entire day. Your mood and state of being for the entire day might be determined by how you feel in the morning. So, the night before, you schedule your morning so that you can have at least an hour to yourself to practice yoga, go on a walk, meditate, or engage in other self-care activities like pranayama. Through the course of the day's work, serenity and concentration will rule. You'll have greater vigor, happiness, and serenity. The fourth error we make is checking our cell phone first thing in the morning. 80% of smartphone users check their devices 15 minutes after waking up. The mental tranquility you have achieved through sleep may be disturbed by this practice. As soon as we get up, we expose ourselves to an avalanche of information. Your mind might become more stressed as a result. Additionally, due to the obscurity of the environment, prolonged exposure to intense phone light can harm your eyes. Avoid using your phone for at least an hour after getting up, since the blue light of a phone might make your eyes redden and feel dry. Skipping breakfast is the fifth error we make. Early morning calorie intake may lower the risk of diabetes, heart attacks, and other circulatory issues. In addition to making you eat more during the day, skipping breakfast might stress your body. Early in the morning, your body has a great capacity for absorption. As a result, eating breakfast soon after waking up can aid in your body's efficient absorption of all the nutrients. And don't forget to include proteins in all meals, even breakfast, as they are associated with having less body fat but also have a number of other advantages. Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are both excellent sources of protein for breakfast. Your day's foundation is laid in the morning. Make sure your foundation is well built. Avoid making these foolish errors that we all make in the morning and start your day off joyfully and peacefully.